I'm Mark. In this social media expedition, we're exploring the benefits, how-tos, and strategies of using Google Plus as an affiliate. And we start by telling you about Google Plus, what it is, why should you use it. We take you through the process of setting up a Google Plus profile, including what elements are most important to focus on. Now, when we've got you all up and running, it's time to explore what you can do on this social media platform that will benefit you as an affiliate and how best to use these elements. Finally, we delve a little deeper into the strategies that really make Google Plus worthwhile as an affiliate marketing tool. So what is this whole Google Plus thing even about? Well, let's take a look. Google Plus is Google's own social network. In terms of user base, it doesn't have the same degree of popularity as Facebook or Twitter, but it's got its own power of a marketing tool. What is this superpower? Google Plus has a very close correlation with good search engine rankings. Facebook hides data from Google, and Twitter directs Google not to follow most of its links. But Google crawls new links posted on Google Plus almost instantly. It's a time-sensitive, up-to-date social media SEO machine. So how tricky is it to get your own Google Plus profile set up? Not tricky at all. Here's how it's done. If you don't already have a Google account, which includes Gmail accounts, then make sure to create a personal account to get started with. Likewise, if your Gmail address has nothing to do with your name, like ilovemycat@gmail.com, create one that reflects your name to add authenticity to the account. Head to www.plus.google.com to get started. Sign yourself in if you aren't signed in already. You'll see a main page, but to edit your profile, you need to click on the blue circle with a darker blue person symbol inside of the top right corner. This drops down a small box on which you can click View Profile to get a View Profile page. You'll see a page like this. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the blue circle symbol, like the one on the previous page. It'll now be located to the left. A menu like this will pop up for choosing your profile picture. Choose a nice picture of you from your computer using the options in the center and any of the options from the tabs at the top. Now, once your profile photo is set up, feel free to also personalize your cover photo, keeping in mind that you are still using this for your affiliate marketing and your choice has to be tasteful to your target. Other than your profile picture, the most important thing to get set up is your About details. Making sure you have the About tab selected beneath your cover picture, you'll be able to see the Story box on the right. Click on Edit at the bottom of this box. This will bring up the Story menu for adding more information about yourself. Add a brief but positive tagline about yourself, and then fill in the introduction box with details about you and your affiliate brand. It is important to add a link back to your affiliate website in this description because of the search rankings associated with Google+. So you've got a picture and a description in your profile. The question now is, how do you use Google+? The main thing to understand about using Google+ is the circle system it uses to connect people. Having more people in your circles, and consequently being in more of other people's circles, increases your presence on Google+. Let's go into how you can add to your circles. Hover your mouse over Home at the top left of your screen to show the main menu. Then go down it to click on People. It will come up with a page for you to find suggested people associated with your Google account. Add as many people as you can from these options. If you know of any names, particularly influential people within your niche, you can search for them in the search bar. Once you've added people to your niche circles, you can view them in your Circles tab. I'm hovering by the following circle in this example, but you can personalize your circles to be called whatever you want. You can add the same person to multiple circles or have separate circles for different niches as an example. This is an easy way for you to characterize your contacts so that when you post from the home page, it's a lot easier to control who sees what, whether it be separating contacts for different niches or separating your personal post from your affiliate post. You can also look at relevant pages to do with a variety of topics under the Discover tab. The categories sit along the left. Try to find pages that could relate to your niche and comment on their post to get yourself out there. When your circles are set up, You should be posting your content on Google Plus and linking back to new content on your affiliate website whenever you can to get more Google-friendly exposure. A neat feature of posting with Google Plus is that, unlike Facebook and Twitter, you can edit your content at any time. It's not set in stone. This means that if something goes viral, you can still fix any problems with it if anyone has an issue. So what strategies can help you get ahead with Google Plus? Ultimately, the goal of Google Plus is to get +1s for any URLs you post via your social empire. +1s are the rating other Google Plus users give to anything you post that they like. These +1s are Google Plus's wild card. A study by Moz shows that URL's number of +1s is more highly correlated with search rankings than any other factor, page authority being the only exception. These power-packing +1s beat out other well-known metrics, including linking root domains, Facebook shares, and even keyword usage. The URLs you would ideally aim to get +1s for would be the pages that develop leads. This could be your latest blog post or relevant, quality content on your affiliate site that your audience would be genuinely interested in. More surprisingly, promote URLs to squeeze pages or enticing special offers. You don't want to come across as hard selling here. I can see how this might make you want to post as many links as possible to your affiliate site, but remember not to spam on social media. It's like the other social media platforms in this respect. Focus on quality content, top-notch lead hooks, and a content-to-promotion ratio that doesn't put people off. More +1s on fewer URLs is better than fewer +1s on more URLs, or worse, no +1s at all. When you do post links, especially to your own affiliate site or offers, you need to make sure they are optimized for SEO. Underneath the box where you type the post itself, there are options to attach elements such as photos and links. Click on Link to attach any shared links to your post that you want to be followed. This is important because any links that are only added within the post body itself are no follow and therefore don't offer any link equity. Posting lengthier content is much more doable on Google Plus than other forms of social media. In fact, longer pages have even shown to have higher rankings. So if you have any quality content that's a bit longer, this is your platform. Basically, while Facebook and Twitter are the fast food chains of social media, Google Plus is a restaurant fit for dining in. Posts on Google Plus have their own URLs, and just like a blog, posts can be more in-depth, allowing for more information-rich content. This longer content can be anything that would be of value to customers in your niche, including sample blog posts, reviews, or list of information such as frequently asked questions. To wrap up, in this lesson, we have covered what Google Plus is about, how to use it, and the strategies that will make Google Plus worthwhile from an affiliate marketing standpoint. In the process, we developed your circles, which advances the SEO of your personal brand and Google Plus presence. If you haven't already set up your Google Plus profile, do so now. Optimize it with a link to your affiliate site in your About section. And if you haven't already, feel free to check out our lessons on other social media affiliate marketing strategies for Facebook and Twitter.